Hi everyone, this is Kikiriki once again. Today I'm going to unbox a microphone from Boya, model number BYM1. I've received many comments from many of you saying that my audio is not that good. So I thought let me invest in a good microphone to improve the audio quality of my videos. So this is a quick unboxing, and I will show you what are the contents of the box inside, and a brief about this microphone. So here it is the Boya BYM1 model, and this is an omnidirectional microphone. As you can see, the specifications, you can pause to check more details about this device or microphone. I bought this for around 750 rupees from Amazon, and it's a good deal. Inside the box you have a couple of things. First and foremost is the warranty card. Along with the warranty card you have the instruction manual. And apart from this, you have the microphone placed inside a leather pouch. The leather pouch is of very good quality. The texture is very premium. Definitely I like the pouch. And then you have the clip and this sponge which you need to cover on the mic. Then you have the 3.5 mm headphone jack to full headphone jack, small battery, we can check it out later on. And then you have a clip. It needs to be used to attach the mic. And this is the main mic itself, and this is how you attach the sponge into the microphone. This is the on-off switch, which you can use while using this microphone through a camera, a DSLR camera, or through a mobile phone. This clip, you need to attach it like this. Yeah, it clips on very easily, and you can then clip it on to your shirt while you are speaking. And then you have the battery. This battery is required if you are going to use this microphone with your DSLR camera, because your DSLR camera would not have any power support, so this battery is going to power this. But if you are going to use this microphone using your mobile phone, then you would not need this battery as a backup power, because your phone is going to provide the necessary power. The whole case, as you can see, is made of metal, and the build quality is really good. Overall, I really like the device. The entire video I have recorded using this microphone, and I would recommend this to everyone. Although this is not for professional use, but for amateur like me, who casually uploads videos in YouTube, I think this is a really good deal. That was a quick unboxing and a brief about this microphone. I hope you liked my video. Please do subscribe, leave a comment. I will see you in my next video.